Welcome! Today we will show you how to install the Pipe Dream interior door panels for Hummer H1 doors. First, cut cross slits for the latch actuator handle. Remove the upper half from the lower half. Now, detach the actuator rod to make install of the actuator handle easier. Pull the rod into the opening and attach it to the actuator. Press the actuator into the opening. If it is too difficult, you may need to cut the slits in the leather a bit longer. Reinstall the actuator rod. Loosely install your screws for the actuator. Now, loosely install the door pull armrest. Note that the screws go in at an angle and not perpendicular to the door panel. Place the upper panel back on, sliding it over the door lock. Reinstall the 3 screws. Now fully tighten the actuator and door pull handle. Clamp the panel tight against the door. Match drill a 1/8 inch hole and fully tighten one of the 2 longer self-tapping screws. Repeat for the opposite side. Drill and install screws in the lower panel. The installation is now complete.